Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Infinix Smart 7. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here in the top search, find app called Notify Buddy. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Move to the next step and grant 3 permissions for the app. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. Now that the app is ready, we can see 4 different tabs: user, system, active, and settings. In user, you can activate any apps and allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In the system, you can do the same thing, but with all system-bound apps. In active, we can find all apps that we've just activated, and in the settings, we can customize our LED lamp. But first, let's close this ad. We can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen, or color. Click on the test button and you should be able to see the LED lamp right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.